Here we have a 2017 Chevy Express 2500 extended 9-passenger high-top Explorer Limited SE conversion van. 110,000 original miles. Super nice, clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title. All highway miles. It's a beautiful van on the exterior. Very nice on the interior as well. Super loaded, two-tone leather, navigation, fully loaded Explorer package, 9-passenger seating. It has 6 captain chairs and a rear power folding bench seat bed. Super nice. No accidents. It's a non-smoker, very clean. Paint and body is beautiful. Brand new tires, chrome wheels. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Going on 46 years in business. We specialize in these full-size vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. This is what we do. This is our specialty. This van is laser straight down the side. Super nice. It will be priced to sell. Very nice paint and body. Hardly any marks on the exterior. It is very nice. Hard pressed to find anything even to point out to you. There's a couple little marks on the running boards. Nothing major. I'm just trying to be picky so you can see what you're looking at. Bumpers are in nice shape. No dings or dents. Very nice, clean van. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Super clean, 9-passenger, 2017. Very nice, clean van. Clean Carfax, of course. Beautiful two-tone leather interior, heated seats, fully loaded rear sunroof. Got all the manuals, 2 keys, 2 key fobs, beautiful wood grain. Leather seats and carpet are in nice shape. Wood grain interior. Got your navigation. All your apps, backup camera, of course. Very loaded out van. No warning lights on, of course. Runs super, dual AC and heat. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Like I said, fully loaded, heated seats, 6 captain chairs. Don't hesitate to give us a call or visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. They're very nice, rust-free, of course. 6.0 liter V8. Under the hood is very nice and clean. It's been fully serviced. This van is ready to go today. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Gorgeous two-tone leather seating in the back. Got all your storage compartment, USB hookups, big flat screen TV. Got your center console cooler, dual air controller. You can hook up your video games if you want. All the seats and carpet are in nice condition. A few little marks from normal wear and tear on the interior, but overall it's very nice and clean. No damages. A few little marks here and there. Overall, super nice. I'm trying to be picky so you can see what you're looking at. It does have a rear sunroof. This is a power folding electric bench seat bed. We'll show you how that works. You got all your window shades all around. Two-tone ultra leather. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. It's a beautiful Explorer. Power folding bed. Awesome van. Everything works and operates the way it's supposed to. Again, we've been in business going on 46 years. Happy to help at any time. 5-star reviews only. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help at any time. If you have any questions or concerns. Beautiful 2017 Chevy Express 9-passenger conversion van. Awesome.